a tenant get evicted like a regular tenant would in a regular rental? So a lease option is the option for a tenant or for the investor to purchase the property when they're ready to buy. And there's no guarantees that the tenant will not get evicted, that you have to discipline the tenant, take actions, take them to court, and those things apply too. However, on a lease option, because they put more money down, because they're looking to purchase the house, and because they plan to have that house as their own, it's a different mindset. We call it homeowners in training. So with a regular tenant, sometimes they have the mentality that, hey, it's some landlord. He has money, she has money, they buy property. They have a lot of money. I just, damage the property, I won't pay the rent, and they got it, they can cover it. Yet with a tenant buyer, which is a tenant who's in a rent-to-own program, they respect the property more. They feel that the property is theirs. And we've gotten many, many properties back when tenants decide not to purchase for whatever reason with a house that was better after the tenant left than before they moved in. They put new flooring, put up a new deck, painted the walls, decorated the house, did landscaping, various very expensive things that they added to the house, and various values that they added to the house because they felt that it was theirs. So, do you have to evict a tenant? Do you have to take disciplinary action in event something bad happens with the property? Yes, absolutely. Yet, the chances of you having a hassle-free property is very, very high because they are homeowners in training.